Come on.
Nope, not that way.
You gotta just keep walking and he'll follow us. Don't run with him.
Which way? That way?
Wear those?
What?
Can I wear those?
My shoes?
No, your hair.
Okay.
Just your shoes. Do they fit you?
A little bit.
Like, look, I'm getting this.
You guys are too.
So what are we doing here?
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, can you turn off?
Nice.
Yes.
He's doing nice. What?
Bad luck to walk under a tree like that. If a tree is like that, I'm pretty sure it's bad luck.
I'm gonna walk under it.
It's like walking under a ladder. I'm pretty sure it's bad luck.
What?
We can literally be suffocating.